Alright, so you're going to want to start out by opening up Xcode, and you're going to want to go to create a new project. Once you get there, you're going to go over here to Mac OS X, and go to the application tab, and you're going to want to click the Cocoa application. Once you do that, you're going to need a product name. So for this app, I'm going to make it hide, and that should be the only thing that you need out of all these different things. So I'm going to click next, and I'm going to make the hide folder on my desktop. So I'll create that. And when it opens up, it'll open up to your main page where it's showing the summary of your application so far. So you're going to want to go over here, and in your hide, your Xcode project folder over here, under the hide folder, you're going to have this tab called the main menu.xib folder. You're going to click that, and when it opens up, it's going to be a blank like kind of graph, and you're going to want to go over here and hit window-hide, and that'll open up a kind of standard Mac window. And you're going to want to start out by going over here, and there's going to be 4 different options for you over here. And it normally starts out with like a picture of a piece of paper or a file. So you're going to want to go over here and click the cube. And the first option should be this kind of standard button here. It's a push button, and you're going to want to click and drag it to like the center. And get another one, click and drag. And get another one and click and drag. Okay, so this button, you're going to want to resize it a little bit. Alright, and do the same thing with the second button. Make it the same size. Alright, and then this last button, you can just keep it the same. Alright, and this button, you're going to double click it and to edit the text, and we're going to call this button hide. And double click and edit, and this one will be unhide. And this last button, double click and edit the text, and this will be quit. Alright, and after you do that, it's a really simple step to give the buttons kind of actions. So you're going to press the control key and hold that down, and then you're going to click your mouse and hold that down, and you're going to drag up to the application folder underneath of the placeholders, and then you're going to click hide other applications, and then you're going to go down here and do the same thing with the unhide button, control mouse and drag up here to application, and go to unhide all applications, and then same thing with quit, control mouse and drag up to application and go to terminate. Alright, once you do that, that is what you need to do for the buttons to get them to work. And then you can add in your own kind of little things to it. So you're going to add a label, and you're going to just put in welcome to hide. And then once you do that, just click and center. And then add another one down here. And type in whatever you want. And then once you do that, just center it. And then I'll throw in like a little divider line down here to divide the text from buttons. Bring that out and bring this out. And then there you go. you have your very first Cocoa application that hides other files. So we're going to run this application so I can show you how it kind of works. Alright, so go up here and click Run. Alright, and the build should succeed. I don't know what I did. I screwed it up somehow where it's not showing. So here, let's stop the build. Move these things up a little bit. Okay, and then that should do it. So close. Okay, we'll just make do. Alright, so I'm gonna drag that onto my third desktop over here. Alright, so you can see how I have all this clutter and stuff with a web page and like an address book and my email, Minecraft, iTunes and stuff. You're just gonna go over here and you click the hide button, and it hides all the applications but your single hide application. And it doesn't only just minimize them, it completely takes them out of your dock down here as well. And then to unhide them, simply click unhide, and it will bring them back up. They're kind of behind, so that's why you weren't seeing them. And then once you're done with the hide app, you just click quit, and it completely quits that. So there you go. You have your very first hide application. And once you're done with that, you can just drag it into your dock down here. And I will show you how to put on an icon to these applications in a later episode. So if you have any questions, you can message me at my email, or you can comment on this video, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe.